Hi guys and gals, oil change on the four-wheel drive truck today. I mean, it gets it every 10,000 kilometres and apart from batteries, we've never had a problem with it. I mean, really happy with it. But I made a problem and I damaged the filter trying to get it off. So I bought the right tool, but then the damage was done, so I ended up having to go to a local mechanic who had a pair of really wide jaws locking pliers, and he was able to grab it and get it moved. And my arm strength has weakened considerably over the last 12 months. But all things considered, we did as good as we could and everything worked out perfectly fine. One of the problems is, I found out Toyota did the last service and the mechanics here wind them up to maximum torque. The reality is they should only, you put some oil on the rubber seal service, but you should only do them up about a quarter of a turn. I mean, doing them up three-quarters of a turn, it just locks them on too tight. Nope, he's not going to get it either. Say hello, dear.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Susi Kruger and John Kruger. Welcome to our channel. This for the other day, John he had serviced the car, and at the end, unsuccessful to take the oil filter come out. But we went to the mechanic. That young man been helpful, and he make it successful.
Yeah, cost $4 to get him to do it. Wow.
That you damage the oil filter before, why it difficult to come out.
Correct.
This is for some knowledge to let people know. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Be careful, guys.